भाई क्या है यार, मेरे तो सारे पैसे वेस्ट हो गए। क्या डॉग खरीदवा दिए, ये कोई साउंड होती है? क्या बनाऊं इस समय भाई? वापस करो यार, पापा मारेंगे मेरे को।
Guys, this is definitely not true. Let me show you a track where I've just used all different packs to create many different sounds. If you go in the pack section in Live browser in Ableton Live, here you can download all these different packs directly from Ableton's website. Here you can find many different instruments, audio effects, as well as MIDI effects to play around with. So I started with using this really cool instrument by Inspired by Nature called Tree Tone. This allows me to generate like really cool sounds in the specific key that I'm working in. In this case, it's F sharp minor. The second one is called Bengal, which is a semi-modular FM synth included in the packs of Max for Cats. I found this plugin to be really unique as it has its own timbre and characteristics to play around with. This synth has a lot to offer, with 4 different operators, 6 algorithms, 2 LFOs, 6 audio effects, and so many other things, including a step sequencer, as well as a way to patch any other thing inside the synth. I found this synth to be really unique. Next one is this experimental vocal toolkit called VoiceBox, which has so many different vocals as well as means to transform them. With 82 different vocal instrument tracks, 47 different audio effects to transform them, you can do a lot with this. Last but not the least, I'm using Slink Devices, which is made by Hyperness Records, which has a different bunch of filters, media effects as well as audio effects that you can play around with, which are inspired by the physics of rippling water. So try out these Ableton packs if you've never used them before, and let us know in the comments if there's anything new that we can try. If you liked what you saw, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And if there's anything that we can help you in terms of production, mix mastering or anything, you can feel free to write us. With that, I'll see you in the next video.
तो ब्रो अभी भी चाहिए पैसे वापस?
भाई फील आ गई यार, पापा पैसे बच गए।